Hello. My name is Mr. Rob. Do you want to make a chicken sandwich? Hello, my name is Mrs. Chloe. I prepared all the vegetables for your sandwich. Cut, 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 cut. Slice, 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 slice. Everyone, please remember, do not remove your mask, because if you do, the virus will come.
Please come here and get the ingredients and bring it to your seat.
We need to add all the ingredients into your pita bread. Please share your ingredients with your teammates. Do not put too many ingredients inside the pita bread or it will not.
After you have finished making your sandwich,
We need to add all the ingredients into your pita bread. Please share your ingredients with your teammates. Do not put too many ingredients inside the pita bread or it will not.
after you have finished making your sandwich,
Let's go outside in the cafeteria to eat together.
Now that everyone has eaten,
Everyone sit down for
everyone, did you enjoy the food? Was it delicious?